So I had a friend reach out to me about their workstation just not booting up. This is a Lenovo M910T. There's no external damage on any of the ports that should prevent startup, so we're just going to try a startup before opening it up and see what we can do. The fans do turn on and we do get a boot screen, but it does not show us that it has any OS installed. So we're going to take a look inside. I really like on these business models where the entire front door of these stations does just lift up and out of place. And immediately in looking at these cables, we're able to see that SATA and power are not plugged in. So we're going to fix that. And we're just going to take a look and make sure all other cables are properly seated. And we can see that even in this factory PC, it has an 80+ bronze certification. We're going to turn this back on, and now we're able to see that SSD. But it still didn't boot. So my guess is there's some type of Windows installation error. So we're going to install an SSD that we know has working Windows installation, and it started right up. In our task manager, we're able to see both SSDs, so this points me to believe that this is definitely a Windows installation issue. In disk management, it says that both drives are still healthy, so we're going to check out the file system. And in looking at all the files, all of our users' data is still there, so this is definitely an issue with the Windows installation. My guess is there was some type of update or power failure, something that caused this SSD to stop working. So we're going to leave this SSD in place until the user gets back to me on what they want to do, if they want to buy an SSD, have a clean Windows installation, or whatever they want to do. But we're just going to close this machine back up and wait for their answer.